Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today we're going to unbox two items. As we can see right there on your screen, we got the Pixel Watch 2 and the Pixel 8 Pro. I picked these up this morning, and we're going to unbox these two items and we're going to take a look at it. And this is going to be my first Pixel phone and a watch, first time, because I heard a lot of hypes about these items, and I just wanna check it out and unbox, because as we can see, um, I'm all about Apple. And this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max right here. But these items, I've been seeing a lot of people talking about these on the social media. So I thought, let's pick it up and let's see what is all the hype about. And now, before we unbox these two items and before we get into these boxes, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video about these two items. And also, if you guys want to know anything about the Pixel Watch 2 or the Pixel 8 Pro, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Now, that's been said, let's unbox these and let's take a look at it. So I'm gonna put the watch on the side for a second, and we're gonna unbox the phone. So as we can see, on the top of the box, you got the G and then the Pixel 8 Pro. And I got a black matte color. And on the side, it says a Pixel 8 Pro. And the bottom, it says hashtag Team Pixel. And right here, you got the more information about the phone. On this side, it says Google. And on the bottom, it got, information. And then on this side, it says Pixel 8 Pro. So how you open this, you got these two tabs in the bottom. So you just want to peel these just like that. I'm going to put this on the side. I'm going to peel the second one. There you go. So now we should be able to, let me take off this too. And now, there you go. So I'm going to put the top right over here, and we're going to get into the box. And I'm going to, so this is the phone. I'm going to put this on the side. And then in the box, what we got the Type-C to the Type-C charger right here. It's not a braided cable. And then you got the USB USB-C connector. I'm gonna put this on. Actually, I'm gonna put this back in the box. And right here in this pocket, we got the just a little bit of paperwork right here. And I think that's everything in the box. I'm gonna close up the box and put it right over here. And now we're gonna take a look at the phone. As we can see, it's a matte black, really nice, really soft, touch. And then you got the cameras right here. You got the flashlight, and then you got the heat sensor. I don't know why they put the heat sensor on there, but we'll find out. And on the back, you got the G. And on the front, you got this paper, and it says USB-C right there. And on this side, the left side right here, you got the SIM injector, like the SIM tray. Right here, you got the fingerprint, volume down, volume up, and then we got the power button right there. So I'm gonna give you guys this pail. All right. So there is the phone itself right there, and yeah, I like it. I like the finish. I like the rounded corners right here. It's really nice, really awesome. So far I like it. In the bottom you got the speakers and then the USB-C, and then we're gonna turn this on and press and hold the power button. It's coming on. So There you go, powered by Android. And now we're gonna set this on the side right there. And then now we're gonna unbox the Pixel Watch 2. And then for this, you got the one tab in the bottom right here. So you just wanna peel this, just like that. And then it should come out of the box. Just like that, as we can see. I'm gonna put this on the side. And I heard that they changed the box. The previous one was kind of rounded, and this is a little bit longer, and it opened like this, just like that. And on the left side, we got a little pocket. If it come out, let me see. Oh, it's attached to the box. So there's the paperwork a little bit. We're gonna put this on the side. And then in this pocket right here, we got the charging cable. So this is, I never had a Pixel Watch, but I heard that this year they changed the charging, brick. There's a 4-pin on, that's where you put your watch on this side, and then it connects to your, watch. And this is just the charger. We're gonna put this on the side. And then there's nothing on this side. And then on the right side, we got, so this one is attached to it too. So I'm just gonna take out, I believe this one have the band. So this is the one size extra. I believe this is the large size. And then we're gonna put this right here. And then we're gonna take out the watch itself. So you got the medium size on the watch already, connected to the watch. And I'm gonna give you guys the peel. There you go. And now there is the watch itself. So I got the same size. As we can see, it kind of match to the phone. Really nice, really awesome. And now I'm gonna put this box back and then put it on the side right over here. And then we got the power button right there. We got the dialer right here. On the left side, you got the speaker. That's a big speaker. And then you got, this is the, a connector look like for the belt. And then right in the bottom, as we can see right there, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. So we got these 4 connectors. This is where connect to the charger. So rounded color, rounded watch. I kind of like it. It's kind of small for my wrist, I believe, as we can see right there. But I'm gonna have to right there. So I wish it was a little bit bigger. So we're gonna turn this on and press and hold. I hope this one have a juice. Okay, there you go. So it's coming on, so that means I got juice. So let's see. While it's coming on, I'm gonna take a look at the phone. And if we look at the phone, there's the welcome to your Pixel. And United States, we're gonna get started. And it says set up using another device. I'm gonna skip this. I'm gonna skip everything for right now. Skip, continue, next, accept. I'm sure you guys know how to go through. So I'm gonna skip. I'm not gonna set any password. So there you go. Getting your Pixel ready. Swipe to navigate. So I'm gonna skip this. And as we can see, all set, you are ready to start using your device. So in the bottom, it says swipe up to go home. So there you go. We are home. This is the wallpaper. Pre-install came with it. And as we can see, it gives you a suggestion to swipe up and you get to your library, all the app that already come with it. And the phone, the watch is still coming on. So let's see. And I'm gonna connect to the phone really quick if it come on, and I'm gonna see how fast it connect to the phone. All right, there you go, it's on. So let's see if it show up on my phone so we can actually connect to the phone. So it's sitting next to each other, so it says bring the watch close to the phone, which is close to the phone, and I'm not seeing any notification. So I don't know why it's not showing up. Maybe I have to connect to the internet. So let me connect to my Wi-Fi. Just give me a quick second and then we'll see. All right, so it's connecting to my internet. There you go, it's connected, it done. Go home. So now let's see if it, all right. So it is. So for some reason, it's not popping up on my device. Because this is, like I say, from the beginning of the video, this is my first time working with the Google Pixel. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, and I will show you guys. Okay, so I went to the setting, and then as we can see right there, it's showing up right here. So I'm gonna hit that. And as we can see, now it pop up. It says pair, so I'm gonna hit pair. And there you go. Connected device, Google Pixel Watch 2, 3G VP, and I believe it's setting it up. So now I'm gonna exit and let this set up, and then that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if any of you guys have any question about Pixel 8 Pro or the Pixel Watch 2, let me know in the comments below. I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I will be making follow-up videos about these two devices, and it will be coming to the channel pretty soon. So as of right now, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.